to turn it over? I bet you can turn it over. And you can see what it is. What is that?
It's the truck thing. It's the truck.
It's a what?
It's the truck thing.
A truck thing? I don't think that's a truck. Are there sharks in trucks?
No.
Is it a boat?
Yeah.
Does it open up here? It says, build your own adventure. And it says you can make over 40 ships. And there's a big shark. And if you do this, watch. How cool is that?
Mama, can we open it?
Hey, what do you say to Grandma?
Thank you.
Can you look at the camera and say
Thank you.
anything else you want to say to Grandma Yo-Yo and Grandpa?
Thank you.
And what else?
I love you.
I can't wait to see you.
I can't wait to see you.
Bye-bye.
Now look what the shark is supposed to grab onto that pulls him up
Oh.
so you can save the dive.